Yo, what's up? It's Rob from Damage That
Oh, come on, get real.
Get real. We got some packs here. I think it's 10 packs, 11 packs of Extreme Victory. Put the camera
It's
down.
extreme.
It's Extreme.
You gotta know it's extreme. It comes from Squiggies.
It's a Squiggy.
What's a squiggy?
What's a Squiggy? That's the card owner.
That old guy?
Look at that, look at that. That old guy, yep.
Livestream Dragon.
Nice.
Yeah, I got an ulti.
I got your old thing.
I got you the whole thing.
Old thing.
Old thing.
Are you high right now? Wanna go get high?
It's not a real video, is it? You're not uploading
Yep, we're uploading
You're
it.
not uploading it.
Yeah, we are.
Oh, I got one of the cut cards. Look.
Look at that. Ooh, we should sue Konami. Let me see.
It got cut on the bottom.
You better open all the packs you can.
The scissors.
You know why?
Why?
This time
There you
tomorrow
go.
we'll be floating in space.
Why? We're all gonna die, you think?
You're gonna die.
Well,
Who
then I'm not
says?
paying you tomorrow.
6 p.m.
I'll pay you tomorrow then.
No.
Supposedly.
Really? Because if you guys actually
But I tell you,
researched
Frankie
it-
told you. Frankie told you the tour guide. Frankie said it.
If you guys actually
got the tour
researched
guide?
Yeah, Frankie told him the tour guide's in there.
Wow, Frank, good job.
Frankie, you're the man.
Well, there was no other.
Yeah, that was the first one pulled. And how many? What, like 6 sneak peek boxes? Does that sound right? How many did you buy?
Ryan, Macho Man died.
I know, I heard.
Who's Macho
Heart
Man?
attack and then crash into a
The
tree.
wrestler. Oh my god.
Pro pulls. Yo, I've been picking all the
Steel?
Brawlic packs.
Alright, cool.
What is that? Yeah, dude, we're fucking skills like Loki's. It's like
That's our fifth, legitimately our fifth.
that's our. I think that's our 6th.
If anybody's wondering, there's Ryan from Dueling Network right there. I mean,
Look how pro he is.
Rob, Anthony over there from Dueling Network too.
If anybody wants to duel on Dueling Network,
Yeah.
we could duel you. Just send me a message.
Ooh, a Tengu.
Ooh, Tengu. Dude, we're pulling.
Yeah, that's good. Now you
Bingo bongo.
We're pulling.
And that could have been the last pack that was left too. And I was like, I was gonna take it. I was like, no. Whatever, I'll just buy them.
Only at Squiggy's.
Look at that.
Another halberd.
Look at all these pro pulls by Damage Stuff.
Ooh, yo.
Thanks to Leo.
Exclusively.
Another Halberd cannon. This is all thanks to possible to
How many
Squiggies.
packs are what?
You're so pro.
Stop
Like,
opening packs.
5.
No,
I
don't
was
even
on a
open
nudie
anymore.
site. You had to go and
Just give them back.
Listen, the people want it.
Don't open any
The
more
people
packs.
want to see it.
if you have me.
Donkey nuts.
If I'm on a nudie site, guess
Watch.
what?
Okay, when I pull the
You, like,
Orthros
kept
and
showing me.
I
You'd be
release
busy
my
as
pants
damn
from
thing
my
at work.
waist.
Yeah, you should charge for
Yo,
that.
Rob, do you have the fish on you?
No, sorry.
Ryan, you better not
This
go
is
tomorrow.
Gordon's fisherman over here. This
Gordon's fisherman.
is Gordon over here.
Wow, that's nuts.
Ryan, you gotta stay here tomorrow.
That tour guide is like
If I have no tournament because I
prettiest
don't have no people. What do you
thing in
think?
the world.
I'll upload it to both channels, I guess.
What, this?
Yeah, I'll just mention.
Dare.
I'm gonna upload it on both.
Don't you dare. Hey, you can do that, I guess.
Yeah, I might as well introduce ourselves in Dueling Network in case they want to play us.
That's true.
Carlos is gonna get his soon. Look at that.
Look.
Yo, Leo just blessed you guys with his most luck
What is
ever.
it? What did you
Ultimate Mara?
You see my blessing? Do you see my blessing?
It look. Alright, last one, guys.
Ooh, debunked. Oh, look, there's Squiggy's dugout. Threw in that. Now I can't even put it up on my channel
What?
because we can't advertise. I think.
Yeah, we can't
You can't?
advertise.
Ah, good job, Swiggy. Do a panorama.
Yeah, we can. You already have that.
That's better than we bought the whole sneak peek. That's better.
Yeah, this is better than our sneak peek box. Seriously.
Yeah.
What did we get?
Frankie, call Carlos and
I knew
ask him
what
if we can
Two
put it up.
ultis, 2 secrets, a Tengu, which is
Call him up and
$10.
see if we can put it up, even though Squiggy's
A
threw his
debunk?
card in there.
Alright, people, this is Damage That Bank, not Yugi Dojo.
All right, so
Saying
here's your
goodbye.
Dueling Network
Cash up,
idea.
let's go.
Dueling Network ID is Rob, R-O-B, N-Y-G.
Ah,
1.
Squiggies.
I'll put it in the description, maybe, or I'll do something.
Go get a job.
Yeah, I have a better job than you.
Not
Alright.
good. If I sit here and play Yu-Gi-Oh.
Peace.